Hi, I'm Elysia Stobbe. I want to answer some questions we've been getting that come to us from loan officers just like you. So some people have been saying they have a fear of rejection, which is totally normal when you're in sales, completely normal, right? So today I'm going to talk about what you can do to get over that fear of rejection. Hi, I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor, and I appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate all your comments below, so please keep giving me comments. I'm happy to answer them. And also, don't forget to give me a like, not that like, this like, right? Give me a like. Please share this with other loan officers and branch managers you feel would benefit. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do. We've got tons of videos that are all designed to help you be a better loan officer, be a better branch manager, and increase your business. Increase your business. All right, so today we're going to give you the quick fix for getting over your fear of rejection. So there are actually quite a few ways to do this. You want to hear my story? So my first job out of college actually was that I did radio sales, right? So I had a small little $1,200 a month guarantee, and I had to go sell radio ads. My degree was in marketing, not in sales. I mean, just like now, there's not a whole lot of sales training, right? That's offered by companies. Some do a great job, and most don't, unfortunately. Anyway, so they basically gave me the phone book, right? I didn't get an account list. You didn't buy radio leads. So I had the phone book. I don't know if any of you guys are like to remember the yellow pages, but that's what I got. I was fresh out of college. I had no idea what to say. So they actually suggested that I cold call on shopping centers. Have you ever just cold called on shopping centers? You think walking into a real estate office is tough. Why don't you make the huge mistake, rookie mistake, like I did, and try and walk into a restaurant at lunchtime? Right? In hindsight, one of the worst times. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so after you do that a few times, you know, I could have been crying in my car when I hadn't sold anything after 3 months. But I chose not to, and I chose to figure it out, you know, the right times to call. Anyway, oh my God, not so fun times. Although I did love that industry and I had a great time. That was my first career. So anyway, there's actually a lot of different things you can do to get over your fear of rejection. So a lot of coaches will tell you that do the worst thing. It's called, I think, eating the frog. There's a book, Eat That Frog, first thing in the morning. And basically, you're going to do the thing you don't want to do the most first to get it out of the way, right? Because if you do that, it's over and it's done, right? Otherwise, if that thing you dread, right, is making, you know, 40 cold calls to realtors, right, which I don't, you know, I don't support that. I support warm calling, not cold calling. Anyway, but let's say that that's what you decide to do. And you're supposed to do it in the morning, but you push it off to later in the day. What happens? You actually dread that most of the day. It's in the back of your mind, right? And you're not really enjoying what you're doing. You're just pushing off what you don't want to do, and it actually clouds your day. So if there is something that you don't want to do it first thing in the morning, or first whenever you start your day, right? Depending on how you set up your day. So what I want to share with you also, so there's some other also tools. So if you haven't checked it out, Tony Robbins has a great priming video. It's just Google Tony Robbins priming. It's 10 minutes. It's a short meditation. And it actually will help you get focused on your whole day. So if you've ever read anything or watched any videos about millionaires' success habits, they meditate every morning before work. The first thing millionaires do is we do not go and check our phone when we wake up. No, we actually have a healthy spiritual routine that allows us to get focused on what we want to accomplish that day, that week, that month. You can do long-term goals too. But when you're focused on what you truly want and you know what your exact outcome is, your brain will find a way to get there if you enable it, right? So all that to say, we are all unique individuals. Own your uniqueness. And in this day and age right now, all we've been through, being shuttered in at home, not being able to see our people, love on our like, you know, whoever's not in your little freaking pod, right? At your house where you're locked in, right? All the other people that are important to you, they matter. People are craving human interaction right now. Okay. So if you're finding this helpful, again, hit the like button, hit the share button, give me a comment. So what I want to share with you is an amazing experience I had last week. All right. I have a new builder client and I've been talking with this client a couple weeks on the phone. They're about an hour and a half away from me. So second weekend, I said, I would love to come meet you in person. Fantastic. I go down there, we mix up the time somehow, but the agent says to me, even better, I have a client coming in. Why don't we just meet with them and you can do their loan application? Okay. Right? And not only do I get to meet the builder's rep, I actually meet at the buyer's realtor's office. So I meet everybody in that office, the broker and their two agents, and my site agent, and the two clients. I was going to meet one person, right? But of course, I was like, yeah, I'll just take the loan app for you in person. I'm happy to do that. No need for them to go do it online. Let's all get together. People want to see other people right now, right? How are you taking your loan apps? Yeah, of course they can go apply online. When was the last time you offered to meet them at your realtor's office? Do you think they're going to have a better experience with you if they start online or in person? Yes, for ease and time's sake, by all means, they can do the online application. But if you are given the opportunity, I use that word on purpose. If you're given the opportunity and your people want to meet with you in person, go take that opportunity. Meet at your realtor's office. And then guess what? If there are other agents in that office, you can say hello to them. You can have your business cards. Do you think that's a conversation starter? Get there early. Oh, I'm here to meet Jane Smith, realtor. She's having a client meet me here. I'm going to go take their loan application. Do you think that realtor is going to be like, Yes, they will. So back to my story, right? So after that, and it was a complex application. See that? Complex. So we were actually there for 2.5 hours. So I took every minute of that opportunity to bond with my clients and all the realtors. And then when I left, the site agent said to me, oh, where are you going now? Meanwhile, I'm an hour and a half from my house. So I said, I'm going anywhere you want. What do you need? Right? And I had extra time. It was the end of my day. Right? I'm here to serve. So she said, oh my gosh, you need to go meet this other site agent. She's only like 10 minutes, 15 minutes from here. Let me just call her right now for you. Yeah, that would be awesome. Right? So now I don't have a cold referral. I knew where that other site agent was, and I was planning to go by and say hi. But now I have the first one calling ahead for me. I'm so grateful. When you love on your people, they love you back. It's so important to understand, and it's so basic, right? I was so grateful. She called the other agent, said, Alicia's awesome. What are you doing? I got clients here. Okay, cool. She said, okay, great. Well, if it works out, you can take their loan app when you get here. Whoop, I hustle right in the car, right? They're both amazing agents, great energy, fun. They're so fun for me to work with, right? So there's no opportunity for fear of rejection when someone else gives you a fantastic introduction. You skip the anxiety just by being yourself. And all you can be is yourself. So own it. When I first got in this industry, I made the huge mistake of thinking that since it was banking and mortgage, like that I couldn't really let myself be my true self, right? Now what you see is what you get. Before, I was much more reserved. I kind of thought that's how you had to be. I don't know why I had that messed up perception, but it was absolutely a misperception. Huge misperception. You are only you, and you are all you, and let you shine through. Right? And that's how you move past your fear of rejection with realtors, with clients, with other referral partners. You use my warm referral method with people you've already connected with. Right? I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor. I actually have another video on how to get more quality referral partners using the warm calling method that I mentioned. Like I gave you a great example of what just happened, right? But you can use the warm calling method. You can check it out. It'll be here, here. I don't know how these videos get reversed. Thank you very much for my marketing team. Dwayne, you're the man. Shout out. All right. Okay, give me a like. Please follow me, subscribe, share. Anyway, so you can check it out. And if it's actually not released yet, if you don't see it here, then just click on the subscribe button and you'll be alerted when it comes out. I'm Elysia Stobbe, your Mortgage Millions mentor. Thank you so much for following and liking. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you soon. Love to hear how these are working for you.